Welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to make the output window of your macOS application to achieve the to occupy the entire width and height of your macOS device. So here you can see this is my output. It is occupying the entire width and height of my device. Typically when you create a native macOS application using Swift, the window which you get is extremely small, but I want my output to occupy the entire width and height. So let's see how to do this. So as usual, I have created a native macOS application. I'm using the Cocoa framework with AppKit. And firstly, you will have to go to app delegate. Here we are getting hold of our NS window. So firstly I'm creating our getting hold of our main window. So the first window which we have, assign it to our window, and then we get hold of our screen frame, and then setting that frame to whatever screen frame we get, and display is true. Then inside view controller you can do whatever you feel like. I have just displaying one label. The important thing is this part. So you have to do this part to make your output occupy the entire width and height of your screen. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.